Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to Google Cloud Masterclass course. This course is designed for the people who are looking the complete knowledge of Google Cloud Platform. This is not a specific certification course, but we have included the material which will help you to go through the multiple Google Cloud certification along with the deep knowledge of rare technologies or rare service of Google Cloud Platform. So let's see what you are going to learn in this course. So this course will include the multiple Google Cloud certification along with the theory and practical guide. So we will start from the infrastructure level. First, you will see what are the essential services of Google Cloud and how you can use these services. Then slowly, you will move to the Google Cloud DevOps side and Google Cloud Architect side. Hello team, I am Anshul and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I am Cloud DevOps professional and have a decade of experience in designing the distributed systems. Let's see what this course offers. So very first we will work on Google Cloud Associate Certification exam. You will see the complete A to Z material on Google Cloud Associate Certification exam, and this course will provide you more than sufficient information of Google Cloud Associate Certification exam so that you can go through with ACE exam in very first attempt and you will get your certification. Once you will complete the knowledge of ACE, we will move to the next level certification, which is Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification. So after this, you will see the PCA certification, Professional Cloud Architect certification. What are the materials? What are the necessary guide required to clarify the Professional Cloud Architect certification? The one good point about these two certification as combined, that there's a lot of material which is shared between both of these certification. All the Google Cloud fundamental and essential service material is shared between both of these certification. So if you are going with this course, then you don't need to waste your time to repeat the same things again and again. We will provide the consolidated section which will help you to clarify the associate certification exam, and with a little more effort you will clear out the professional cloud architect exam as well. After this, we will go to the next certification, which is Google Cloud Professional Security Engineer certification. That certification is very unique and a very high demand certification nowadays because cloud security is a priority in many organizations, and Google Cloud Security Engineer job is a very high demanding job in these days. So this course will help you to understand and go through the professional security engineer exam, and after this course you will be easily qualify your security engineer exam. Then we will move to the next certification, which is GCP Cloud Data Engineer. Cloud Data Engineer certification is again a very high demand certification because most of the companies are looking for the professional who can migrate their million terabyte data on the cloud. This course will show you the path of the Google Cloud Architect along with the security engineer and data engineer. So this is a complete package. We are not providing the single GCP certification material. We are providing the Google Cloud platform as a whole. You will see all the services which are the part of Google Cloud platform with accurate use and a lot of practice labs. As a part of this course, you will see the multiple practical labs while we are going with the certification exam material. The practical labs are very necessary, and I suggest you that you should also follow these practical labs, because if you are doing the practical by your own, if you are following the labs by your own, then you don't need to remember the things for your certification exam because you have hands on these things, so that it will help you to clear out the certification exam. You will also see the quiz on GCP certification. It will help you and give you idea that what kind of question you will get in exam and how you can answer these questions very efficiently. You will see the pattern of the questions. You will also see that these are the questions from the previous certification exam. So these questions will become from the GCP certification dumps. Once we will go through with all four certification material, we will see few advanced topic of GCP which are not the part of this certification at that extent. Very first, you will learn about the GCP Artificial Intelligence Service, and we will learn about it from very basic to very advanced. GCP Artificial Intelligence Service is not a part of these certification, but it is very important because that is a very rare skill in these days. And if you have the GCP AI Services Master, then definitely you will be able to get a very handsome package. Once we will go through the AI services, we will see the Google Cloud Kubernetes Engine Beginner to Pro. That is another very high demand technology in these days, because many of the companies are moving to the Kubernetes environment, and this will help you to understand the Kubernetes or Google Cloud Kubernetes Engine from very basic to very advanced level. After this, we will see the deep understanding of Google Identity and Access Management and Google Networking. These things are also very necessary because networking is always a very challenging and complex topic. So we will explain you the complete cloud networking that will help you in your architect job. Identity and access management understanding will help you as a infrastructure engineer. So this course is not just about the certification, but it's a complete package on the Google Cloud platform. And if you are going with this course, then definitely you are not going to regret on your decision. We know that this is going to be a very long course and you are going to invest a good amount of your time in this course. But believe me, this course will provide you a very deep knowledge of Google Cloud platform, which is very hard to find in the other courses. So that is the introduction of this course. Thank you, team. See you in the coming lecture.